This is going to be a short video, but it contains pertinent information. Since I began this project, what's worried me the most is if I would be able to get it registered for the road. My angle is that even though where I live, I cannot convert a dirt bike into a street bike, I can create a home-built motorcycle and get it registered for the road. And that's why I bought the new frame. But even though the idea sounded good in my head, that doesn't matter unless the state agrees with me. So I took a couple days. I talked to the Highway Patrol, I talked to the DMV, I talked to the Air Resources Board. They've got an agency for everything. Statutes and regulations and categorization are not things that I enjoy. I like sunshine and creating things and spontaneity and risk.
How about long walks on the beach? Having fun and good food.
I don't mean to get too far out in the weeds. I got a VIN number. And I got a title. And I've got a license plate, which is in a glass case inside. And we got tags. It may not be finished, but it's legitimate. And I don't have to deal with any more paperwork or any more state vehicle codes squashing my dreams of greatness. I've got a wife for that. I was just playing. You're wonderful. That's really all I had to say. Minute and a half. I need to give you guys more than that. To commemorate getting a license plate, I'm going to figure out how to attach this license plate holder and taillight to the fender. This is just a universal part, but look how perfectly it matches up.
It's like you and me.
It's going to look amazing. The instructions say to put this on, I need to drill some holes down through the fender, but I don't want to do that. I want to keep this smooth, so we need to figure out a more stealthy way. There's 2 attachment points down here. This one should be pretty simple. I've got a piece of aluminum that I think I can turn into a bracket that will connect to the taillight on one side and the fender on the other. This won't be seen because the seat's going to cover it up.
Whew, this is exciting.
This is your bracket.
It is going to be my bracket.
You can turn off that camera now. Great minds at work. I drop something, you laugh at me. We'll take this over to the bench vise and bend it.
So what about the top ones? The ones that are not so easy to do? What are you going to do there, Mr. Bracket?
Something non-conventional.
Oh!
It might not work. Looking good so far. The next bend will be right there. I might should have kneel it. What?
You might or you should.
I've got both bases covered. So veterans of the channel know what I'm doing here. Sharpie and torch it till it disappears. Allegedly, that softens the metal. Makes it easier to bend. Here's a question for you. Will this get too hot for me to hold before the Sharpie goes away?
It's a difficult question. How you doing so far?
Barely even warm, so I think I'll be okay. Yeah, there it goes. That should be good. Is it gonna work?
It's gonna work. That's nice.
Now we need 3 holes. Is it alright if I do this?
Yes. What you looking for?
I need a tapered head screw. Like this. Because this bracket fits flush up against the bottom of the fender. So now what we can do, just watch.
I figured it out.
I was so worried that I was cutting this from the wrong side. But that's right, isn't it? This goes here.
Yes, yes.
And then the fender goes on top.
Whew.
I enjoy this a lot more than waiting in line at the DMV.
You don't say.
Okay, that's good enough for a test. You think that'll work?
Yeah.
Do you think it sticks out too far?
No, but I think it's too floppy.
We're not done yet. I still need to fasten this in a secure and upright position. I have an idea about how I can do it, but at this point, it's just an idea.
Well, I have an idea.
Yeah?
Why don't you take care of that and I'll go make you some cookies.
Well, that sounds good, but I wanted to share where I was going to get the part to do this. It comes from an interesting place.
I do feel mighty curious.
This discarded drum pedal has a piece of metal right here that I think I can utilize.
Oh.
Can't be beat.
Oh, no. I'm going inside.
Welcome back.
Thanks.
I cut this piece of metal out of the foot pedal, and I've just got one question for you. Do you trust me?
Yeah,
There's fire involved.
I trust you.
Okay.
You gonna melt that on there?
Don't spoil it. It's plenty hot. I'm just nervous.
Pretty fancy.
What matters is that it's invisible from the other side. I don't even think I got very close. It was hard to tell how thick this plastic is.
It doesn't look very strong. Do you think it's gonna be strong enough?
I'm going to use this soldering iron to push some plastic down on top of it. Then I hope it will be strong enough. And when I mean strong enough, I mean the weight of the license plate won't break it. I think that looks sturdier anyway. What do you think?
I don't know, it sure looks ugly.
Okay, the fumes are starting to give me a headache, so that's good enough. Let's see if the taillight fits.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
I'm hurrying.
I wanna see what it looks like.
There it is.
Woo!
Look how it matches up. It's perfect. It's banging. Still works. Now we just need to figure out how to make it light up.
Next time.
Next time. Thanks for watching.